You know, Drake can send for me, remember, so Drake probably just
follow you
watch
on Instagram?
Yeah. So probably I will wait for me, so Drake might link me.
So view subscriber, what go on? You know this one we will talk on Malie Donn, plus we also have 1Biggs Donn. Yeah man. So remember, subscribe to 4K Energy if you're new to the channel. I'm gonna kick this off the right way.
Oh no, catch a rocker with the Gucci bag, Rex by me hip side. Sipping any on the rocker.
So be a subscriber. As you can see, I'm not really being consistent for a good while now. And may I tell you, see when you lose motivation in doing something you love the most, it's not easy. You see me? So I've been off like for 2 weeks now, bro, like thinking if I continue for vocational energy. But YouTube is somewhere I love and I don't see myself stopping, you see me? But my day back, I'm gonna try my best to stay motivated and put in the hard work for all around, you see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Energy if you're new to the channel. I'm respect the love and support from all around, you see me? And remember, at the end of the year, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. So, we could kick off the video, jump in it, and get down to business. Yeah, man. So, as you can see, we're going to talk about 1Biggs Donn. Yeah, man. The entertainer was doing a little interview, and I could know say Drake follow him. Yeah, man. Drake, the international artist, followed 1Biggs Donn. The entertainer was happy, or let's not say was. The entertainer is happy about it. The entertainer say, yo, Drake, maybe one day I look at collab and maybe Drake will send for him. You see me? But to be honest, I'm very happy for 1Biggs Donn because as an artist, these are what you're going to look forward to the most. You want the big international artists them to recognize you as an artist. Maybe link you up, maybe do a collab just like Oasis King and Nicki Minaj link up. I say you go want the big international artists them to look upon you and call you up and they can mentor you. You see me, teach you things where you don't even know about the music game, bro. So me understand when Biggs Donn feel, me understand say he is happy. But we also have people who say, yo, 1Biggs Donn, he might behave. You see me, him too much. He's delusional and a bag of things. I'm going to read some of the comments and make you understand what I talk about. So the first comment says, dog sound like a groupie, YF. And the next comment says, Drake will F you for fame, ask microwave, be aware youth. The next comment says, this is how delusional I am, with some laughing emoji. So basically I'm just take off 3 comments because the rest of the comments are basically like the same. So I don't really need to read no more. I just try to show you where the people must say about 1Biggs Donn saying Drake follow him. And I don't read the comments then because at the end of the day, as I say, as I get a youth and you reach where you reach right now in the music game, and you see one international artist I follow you, I watch your move, I watch over you from afar, you are gonna feel good. You are gonna feel good. You are gonna want to work with them because that can help your career. You see me? So I don't agree with what the comments must say about Drake and about 1Biggs Donn being delusional. As you can see, the entertainer is very happy. And yeah, he may be too happy, but at the end of the day, it's a good look for 1Biggs Donn. Because Drake can link him up, him and Drake can do a collab, and trust me, as I say, it'll go look good for 1Biggs Donn career.
But the man that follow me, bro, I must.
Something in my watch.
Yeah,
I hate that.
Me text him and he look on the message.
Oh, that's nice.
He look on the message.
Yo, 1Biggs Donn so like one of them fans there where me them celebrity crush. But at the end of the day, I'm happy for Biggs Donn. You see me? I feel happy for the entertainer because I don't know say 1Biggs Donn never grow in a wealth, and I guess God make him do that little freestyle there, Rolex on him wrist, and that give him the boss and make him the way in the right now. You see me? So we can't bad mind the youth. I hope say the entertainers continue put in the hard work and Drake link up the youth and then do a wicked collab. You see me? So big up yourself, 1Biggs Donn. View subscriber. I know the band score. Make me not think about that. Moving on.
A bad bitch love gun, man. Go make a fucking on the dungeon.
Malie Dan have a style when me rate. Malie Dan just know how to drop the song them to make the female them galang bad. Yeah man. Malie Dan I drop the song them for the summer. And no found on me feel like say Malie Dan would get right off when he get the buckle on stage and most sound want say yo Pablo YG rub him out at Sting. But the entertainer I drop be hits. Yeah man. I don't remember how much views this song I reach right now, but I think it's over 100,000. You see me? Malie Dan know how to drop hits. And Malie Dan is very consistent, bro. You see me? The entertainer recently released his latest single. It goes by the name of Donn. May I tell you? It's a very good song. You see me? It give me a V6 vibes.
Tight old girl forget broke bad. Hair and nails and enough bag. Fly you go the
So the entertainer say the girl with the tight forget spoil. Yeah man. Then forget enough bag, ear and nails. Then forget fly out. So I ask the female them, do you agree with what Malie Dan say? Me know I'm gonna say yes. But yeah man, the entertainer know how to connect with the female them. You see me? And him know how to drop hits. I have to say that. But what me also rate is that the entertainer don't make the buckle thing rub him out. Him don't make what happened at Sting hold him down. The entertainer there and him just a drop beer hits. Him a drop songs for the summer. Him a drop the songs for the female them. Yeah man. The entertainer do it and him no gossip or nothing with nobody. Him man just a do it with himself and it a show. You see me? The hard work with Malie Dan I put in it a show. So I have to say go and do it Malie Dan. You see me? So be a subscriber as always. Make me know what to think about any of the topic they want me to touch upon. You see me? Remember, subscribe for 4K Shell Energy if you're new to the channel. Run this up to 1,000. Catch you in our next one.